Today we're going to show you how the VLine 2 works in a 2010 Acura TL. So we've got the VLine installed here and we've got everything on. So if we want to get to the VLine, we'll press this hard drive or aux button, and we're going to go to the CD changer source here. And then once we do that, the VLine will take over. There we go. And then we've got the knob down here, and this will control the screen and kind of how you go through different menus. We've got a few buttons here that'll do different things, such as menu or cancel. And you can also keybind those up here in the key mapping. And so if we wanted to do home for the menu button, we'll click that and press home. And now the menu button acts as our home button. And there's a few others there you can do as well. And then we'll show you a few other things you can do to go back and forth between the VLine and factory. So on the VLine here, we're in the CD changer source. If you did need to go back to the CD changer source for any reason, like the actual factory menu, you can use the factory UI setting here, and that'll drop our display, and now we're in the factory CD changer menu. If you need to go into the audio menu for a sound setup, so if we want to change the EQ at all, we can do that in here. And then if we want to go back to the VLine, we just have to exit the source. So we'll go like AM, and then we'll go back to CD changer, and the VLine will pop back up again. Alright, so if we want to listen to a factory source, such as like XM radio, we can press the XM button here, but if we want the VLine on the screen as well, then we can still do that. Just have to press and hold the menu button here. And then now we've got the VLine on the screen, but as you can see down here, we're in the XM source. And then if we do want to go back to the VLine, you can press the hard drive or aux button, and that'll change back to CD. Or if we want to go back to the factory side again, we'll just press and hold that button. And now we'll be back at the XM audio screen here. And then again, this button to go back to VLine.